Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use an SD card with your Samsung phone. So just locate where the SD card tray is, or your SIM tray, and you can see on my version, it is on the top. Now, depending on your phone, it could be on a different location. So on this Motorola, it's actually on the left side here. So let me turn off this phone, and you're going to need a removal tool. So I just have this one that I got with my phone, and this allows me to open it up. So you can just place it in it and it'll pop it open. So just like this, and this one is actually broken. So you can just open it up and it'll push this tray out a little bit. And you can see I already have an SD card in here and then also my SIM card. So just place this in here. So there's going to be a way to place it in here. If you put it in this way, it's not going to work. This way will actually sit in here. And it looks like this one is 64 gigabytes, which is good enough for this older phone. This is a Samsung S9 from like 2017. So just make sure these are in here and they're flat. And then slide them in. And boom, push it in. And the tray should work automatically. So I got my phone right here. Let's unlock it. Now we can verify it's plugged in. Let's move these keys. Swipe down from the top or swipe up. And then go to Files. So let's locate Files now. You can just type in Files. And when Files opens up, this will allow us to go to the SD card. So we can see the internal storage SD card right here. And then we can format this too. If we go to Settings, there should be an option to format under here. If we don't find it, depending on our version, I can show you another way to do it. So we can now transfer photos under the internal storage. If we go to DCIM, this is typically where our photos are located. Here's DCIM, go to camera, and then click your photo. Now you could go to the top here and go to move to secure folder, open with, but on the bottom here, this gives me the options to move it. So if you want to move it and delete it, go to move. If you want to keep a copy, go to copy. Now we have to find a location for this, so we can go back and we can go to SD card, and your version of Android is going to be a little bit different, and then find a place in the SD card to put this DCIM and then put it in the camera application right here. So let's move it, and boom, I just moved it. Otherwise, you can do this with the gallery application. So if you can find gallery, so let's type in gallery. Google Photos won't work, but gallery will. Then you can open up gallery, and then go to the top here, and then locate a folder or something you want to move. So we can go to this one, and then go to move. And then we have to pick a location. It says can't move the entire album into that. Okay, so we have to select the photos. So let's just do a few of them here. So let's do this one. And then go to move to album. And then pick your SD card. So mine is the camera one. So you probably want to create a actual SD card folder. So I know this one is my SD card. Actually, this one is my SD card over here, because it's got this little symbol next to it. That's an SD symbol. So you can see SD card, no SD card. So you can create a folder in your SD card if you go to the internal storage. Now to format it, let's go on down. Go to settings. Yes. And then we can go on down to storage. And this might be under like device care or something like that. And then go to storage here. And then go to SD card. And then we should be able to format under here. There should be an option or like 3 little dots on the top. Otherwise, if it doesn't give you the option, just go to select all. And you should be able to delete everything in each category, which will work too. So you can see videos here, just go to all and delete. So it doesn't look like this one allows me to delete it, this version of Android, for some reason, but I can go to each thing individually and delete it really quick. Or we can try advanced going under here, but the newer versions definitely do. You can see my SD card. And then here's the option to format if I actually really want to do. And then it can unmount it right here. So just play around with it. It's going to be somewhere in here, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.